first order of the day. We've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 4 miles.
I also think that my order there. Hi.
So far, it is looking like a pretty slow start. I've only had one order in the first like half an hour. And I mean like even offered to me. That was the only one that I've gotten. Well, up until this one just now. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $8 going 5 miles, 3 items. Morning. Got the next order right away. This is Taco Bell, $10 and change going 9 miles. Got a feeling this is gonna be all base pay. It's only 2 items. We've got a Cinnabon Delights 12 pack and 1 coffee. It says, can you please ask for extra ranch? Don't know about that one, Chief.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got a Black Rock coffee and the Human Bean. $11 going 3 miles. Should be a good order.
Okay, we may have to refund that. Our espresso machine went down. Let me check. So yeah, that drink is an espresso machine, so I'm just gonna have to refund it for the customer because our espresso grinder is currently down. So is there a way for you to cancel the order and have the customer refund it through DoorDash?
Spoke too soon, didn't I? I don't know if you could hear it. They can't make this order. It's only 1 drink. They cannot make it. Oh, that's just great. They ended up canceling this order, and I asked them if I'm going to be compensated. They said, nope. Thank you. Hello. I had a drop off for Faye. I wonder what the pay is going to be on that one. Hopefully they're not too upset about that and I get a decent payout, but highly doubt it. Next up, we've got a kitchen table cafe. This one is $14 going 9 miles. I just looked at the order and it's only 1 item. So this is either all base pay or I'm going to get tip baited. Both of which, not very good.
Good morning.
Morning. I just had a pickup for Nikki.
You get us?
Nikki, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You as well. Oh, this is going far away. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 4 miles, 2 items. Pretty positive this is going to that same customer from earlier. It's got 2 more of those chocolate melts. Not sure if they're snacking on them or if they're making something.
Please scan it now. Your club card, please.
Next order up, we've got a Starbucks, $8 going 5 miles.
There you go.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Just a little update on that stack that was canceled earlier. Turns out the tip was pretty decent. Even with the annoyance and the wasted time, it was still like $7 going, I think it was 2 miles. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $12 going 4.5 miles. I thought I read it wrong, but nope, this is 12 drinks.
Your
1 and 2.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Put it all over here. Thank you. Okay, I have one page for you.
We've got a Cinnabite. This one is $10 going just under 7 miles. Thank you. Hello. Just got a drop off for Samuel.
Yep, I can give it to him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up. This is a Victoria's Cafe. This is $7 and change going 2 miles.
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you. Hello. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it right here, right now. Current time's 9:46. Current total, we are at 82. And I think I'm waiting on just one Uber tip. Should bring it up to 92, I wanna say. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.